The Bangladesh Air Force, BAF, has decided to select the Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jet to modernize its fighter fleet. This program was confirmed by the signing of a letter of intent with Italy's Leonardo. The document was formalized at the BAF Headquarters in Dhaka on December 9, 2025. The signing was attended by Air Marshal Hasan Mahmood Khan, the Italian ambassador, and representatives of European industry. The BAF plans to replace its aging fleet of J-7 and MiG-29 fighters with the Typhoon. This aircraft was evaluated by the BAF during a technical visit to Turin in 2025. The evaluation process was carried out by BAF pilots and officers on ISPA-6 aircraft equipped with the Captor-E AESA radar and the P-3EB upgrade package. Leonardo, which holds a 21% stake in the Eurofighter consortium, will act as the aircraft supplier, including the acquisition and systems integration processes, as well as final assembly in Italy. Although the number of aircraft to be purchased has not been officially announced, Bangladeshi military sources indicated that Bangladesh will acquire between 10 and 16 aircraft. The BAF interest in the Typhoon comes as a deal is nearing completion for 20 Chinese-made J-10CE aircraft, a contract worth more than $2 billion that includes training and logistical support until the middle of the next decade. If both programs go ahead, Bangladesh could operate an unprecedented combined fleet in Asia, bringing together European and Chinese capabilities to strengthen air defense and expand regional deterrence. With the introduction of the Typhoon, Bangladesh will become the first operator of the model outside Europe and the Middle East. This transition also requires new investment, as Western weaponry is not compatible with the armaments currently used on BAF aircraft. The interest in the Eurofighter adds to the existing relationship between Bangladesh and Leonardo, which supplies AW-109, AW-119 and AW-139 helicopters, as well as Falco drones. The country also uses the Kronos land radar, acquired in 2019, and the Seaspray 5000E maritime sensor mounted on a patrol aircraft, strengthening the presence of Italian industry in the country's strategic programs. The Typhoon selection strengthens Bangladesh's position in a competitive Asian landscape, where countries are seeking to diversify suppliers and rapidly modernize their defenses.